Alright guys, check it out. We're back in the ST. Last time you guys see me in the ST, I was bringing it home when I broke down because I overheated. So a quick update right now. Just got it back from the body shop. Before the body shop, I had it at my mechanic shop where we changed the radiator, the condenser, the headlight, the fender, the fog light, and I think that's it. So then after that, dropped it off at my body guy who painted the bumper, the fender, and the rear hatch, because the rear hatch had some weird little damage that somebody tried to repair on it previously that was super ugly, so he fixed that, repainted it. So that's all good to go. Last thing I have to do on this thing is the windshield. So I'm about to call the windshield guys as soon as I'm done making this video. Get the windshield done hopefully today or tomorrow, and then pretty much we'll be all done with ST, and we could you know, get out and rip it around. So let me show you the job. Okay guys, hope you can hear me. It's pretty windy out here, but as you can see, blue tape just had the windshield placed on the ST. Got that new headlight in. We got the windshield in. Pretty much solid. The hatch is fixed. Check it out. You know, I didn't know I was going to like this car as much as I do. This is actually a pretty fun car. We just need to put some air in the tire right there. That's why we got that light. We got the backup camera. We got the boost gauge. Want to hear this thing running? Check out that blow-off valve from inside the cabin, inside the cockpit over here. It's a quick little car. For a Focus, this thing is pretty darn cool, I'll tell you that. Gonna merge into traffic right here. Now I never owned one of these Focuses, so I can't tell if it is a stock blow-off valve or not. If it is, Ford did a real good job with it because it sounds sick. Blow-off valve location is like back by the firewall, so you can't really get back there and check easily, so don't really care to check too much. But yeah guys, Operation Focus ST is complete. Now I'll toy around with this thing for a little while, then move on to the next project. Alright guys, later.